Int reduction. It is made up of billions of nerve cells, or neurons, and is divided into different regions, each with their own specialized functions. Understanding how the brain works is crucial to improving our overall health and well-being. Neuron communication. When a neuron is stimulated, it sends an electrical message down its axon to the end of the cell, where it releases chemical neurotransmitters that cross the synapse and bind to the receptors on the next neuron. This process continues until the signal reaches its destination, which could be a muscle gland or other neuron. Brain plasticity. This allows us to learn and remember new information, as well as recover from brain injuries and diseases. Neuroplasticity is influenced by factors such as genetics, environment, and experiences, and can be enhanced through activities such as exercise, learning new skills, and mindfulness practices. Emotions in the brain. The amygdala is a small region deep in the brain that is involved in the processing of emotions such as fear and anger. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is responsible for regulating emotions and making decisions based on them. Understanding how these regions work together can help us manage our emotions and improve our mental health.